let's examine this 19th century book here. It's interesting to show what happens when a book has marbled paper covered boards, but it's rubbed from being moved in and out of between books, and it eventually rubs the paper away. The leather remains, however, supple, and you can still read the gilt. The book is still tight and sound, like so, like this. There is a little bit of damp staining, old damp staining, along the foredge of the text block and some of these illustrations. It's 1839 Paris. And here is the beautiful lithographed frontis showing a council of Arab individuals, like so. It is by Le Baron de Vinchon and published in Paris, the history of Algeria and other Barbaresque states. The Barbary coast is, I think, what they're referring to. And here we have a school of instruction with teachers. Look at this, smoking a pipe. No doubt instruction in the Koran. And here is hitting of the soles of the feet for maybe, I don't know, disobedience or bad conduct, who knows. And here we have, on the topography of Africa, we see this old damp staining, like so. And like this, here's another plate showing an encampment. Yeah, interesting. And it's quite a scarce book, actually. And here we have another one with a tear down that fold line, as often seen, an Arab tent. Yes. Whenever plates are folding, there's always the danger of tears on the fold lines. That's a very common occurrence in old antiquarian books. And so, there we have shown basically an overview of how the book survives, so you can see. And it is available now online from me, Brian DiMambro.